So I was going to ask, can you walk us through one, how you help companies navigate through change in general? And then, and I can ask this again, and then how do you think navigating change in a remote or hybrid environment is different than maybe in office?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if I'm going to exactly answer that. I'm going to start actually in the second, is that the navigating the change for me, and I actually learned this through Rose Bentley, who was our CEO at Kumu. She was really good at this, is that you need to
Yeah.
over communicate, right? You got to
Oh
spend
yeah.
ample time speaking to the team, right? Like last week I was speaking about vision, and I'm a big fan of like this concept of a vivid vision, and taking it from like a 2 to 3 line statement to like a 2 to 3 page manifesto that like you can
Yeah.
get your entire team rallied around. But like to me, that's like an example of over communicating, right? Like oftentimes we leave vision to be a statement that we have on our website. But I actually
Yep.
think that, and this is one of the things Rose did really well, is like, how do you take that and start to embed that into everything that we do? The way we talk to new employees during interviewing processes, the way we talk to our board of directors at our companies when we're CEOs, the way we talk about this at all hands meetings, and we start with our why and our purpose, our mission, like our vision for what the next 5 years is going to look like. Like, I think that the way you navigate that change or transformation, as you're calling it, is to making sure that, again, you're deliberate and intentional about the way and the cadence to which you're communicating with your team.